Connecting to a wired network is just a matter of connecting an Ethernet cable to your computer. Some wired networks use security and some use MAC filtering. However, but we can easily overcome that by changing our MAC address. A wireless network, on the other hand, uses a wired equivalent privacy (WEP). Or WPA, that is Wi-Fi protected access, and WPA2 encryptions to secure the connections. We will be making use of external network adapter to learn how to break into a wireless network. Even though most computers and laptops have built-in wireless cards, the problem is that we can't access built-in wireless card from a virtual machine. Now, even if you install Kali as the main operating system that is what we call bare metal, the built-in wireless card are not good for hacking because we need a powerful adapter that support monitor mode and can carry out packet injection. We'll get to know what that means. We'll also have to make sure the external network card we are using support both monitor mode and packet injection. And ALFA brands of cards are very good in that regard. I currently use ALFA AWUS AWUS 036NH, that is AWUS 036NH, and you can purchase some of the Alpha cards from the Phoenix Academy shop. Now let's connect the adapter to Kali Linux. So we just come to your Oracle virtual box, and then click on the machine that we want to connect the adapter to. In this case, it's the Kali Linux. So I'll click on the Kali Linux, and then I'll come over here and click on the settings tab. Now upon clicking the settings tab, then you come over here and select USB. Then then the first thing that you are going to do, you click on the enable USB controller here, make sure it is clicked, and then based on the specification of the USB controller you have purchased, is the 1.0, 2.0 or 3.0, then you just made a selection here. My own is using USB 2.0, then that is why I tick on this USB 2.0. And now the next thing that you are going to do, then you come over here and then click on this plus sign, and then you are going to see the one of these options, and among these options is the chipset that your external wireless adapter is using. My own ALFA AWUS 036NH is using Ralink chipset. Now this is the chipset, so I'll just select it here, and then I will just after I have done this, and I will just click OK. And then now I can start the Kali Linux virtual machine. So I will click on start, and then the Kali Linux virtual machine will power on. Once the adapter is connected and virtual machine is off, we'll confirm the adapter is connected by opening the terminal and typing ifconfig. So I'll just come here and then open my terminal. I'm using XFCE terminal, XFCE. So I'll just come here XFCE terminal, and then I'll click on it. And then it will open. There is the other terminal, that the default terminal, but I prefer using the XFCE terminal. So just let me maximize the window. Now we type the command ifconfig. So sudo if config. Then I'll enter my password. Alright, so we can see the interfaces that are enabled on this Kali Linux. We have ETH0, which is the virtual interface on the Kali Linux machine, and then we have the loopback interface, and then we have the LAN 0, which is the interface of the wireless adapter we have just connected to the Kali Linux.